backwards.
What?
Trey is swimming backwards.
Okay, so that's a good intro to the video. Hey, what's up, guys? The Bass Whisperer here. I'm here with my friend, and we're going to reconstruct my pond waterfall. That just looks like a pile of pavers. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reconstruct this entire waterfall by taking apart every single stone except for this bottom one and redoing all of it so it looks more natural and more like alive looking. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the camera.
Oh, we had a leak.
I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm going to fix that leak, and I'm going to turn it back on in a second. See you guys.
The shelf wasn't even that bad of an idea.
I know. Alright, so guys, we took it apart. He's trying to catch a bluegill underneath a concrete slab. So we just took the waterfall apart, and we're gonna put it back together. And we're gonna, like, I'll do a video. I'll keep going with the camera when he is constructing it, and then I'll tell him what to do so you guys can see. But I'm gonna turn it on for maybe 10 seconds so I can just get started on it. Okay, see you guys. Okay, so we just moved the actual flow rock, and my friend, no, not that one. Actually, guys, does that look good?
No.
No, I don't like that. Okay. No. Yeah. Wait. So, my friend is going to do the reconstruct thing because he wants to. I think that looks good. I think that does look good.
Maybe a smaller one. A little bigger.
What about this one?
That one's better. I think it has to go a dot more forward on it. So that. Well, maybe too small.
No, that one's perfect. That one's perfect. It's going back. Yeah, but then it goes underneath.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now take this one. And
right here?
Yeah, put it on the side.
You're gonna hose it off?
No, just keep.
Well, we gotta start here, dude.
Yeah.
And then we'll build up around it.
So, I'm gonna turn off the camera and I'm gonna turn it back on when we have the outline done.
Oh, it's your mouth.
Okay. No, I like the mouth. Just finishing up the top and the sides.
This one can still go there.
Yeah,
I like that one for the top, dude.
I don't like that one.
You wanna just try it?
No. Grab this one.
Wait.
Okay. Now put this one right here. Put that one right there.
Curve it in.
Yeah. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more pavers. And we already have that much done. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple handfuls of these tea pebbles. And I'm going to put it underneath here so that little bit of water that drips out the side kind of goes in, and the kind of rocks go push the water back out. So while my friend is building it, I'm going to stick some more pea pebbles inside here, so if they get all wet and stuff. You see that little leaf? But it goes right back in. These pea pebbles are kind of gonna push the water that leak out back in. No, it's not.
Okay. There's a puddle there. The puddle of water.
It falls back in. It goes back in.
It's not if it's a puddle, dude. Look,
it's okay. It rains.
It what?
It rains.
Oh, okay.
And if it stops raining, I have the buckets and the hose from the outside. I can keep filling the pond back up. And put in the stress coat.
It ain't flowing back in.
And check the pH.
Okay, I'm saying it's not flowing back in at the moment.
I can fix that in a second. Check on the fish.
3 more papers.
See him right there. Just 3 more pavers.
I like that big one from the top. No, now there's 3 more.
And then get, so that's the reconstructing. No. No.
Here.
No, it doesn't look good that way. Come over here and check it.
Ew. I made it too fat.
No, just put that one that's leaning. But I like that side. No, that's not the problem rock. Problem rock is right here. Put this one too much
out. And this one goes here. Or scoot that one dot more back so it lays. So it sits back, flat, see?
Fat. Fail. Water got murky, guys. That sucks. Perfect, 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 perfect.
I put the big one on the top.
Is that good, guys? Is that better than before? I don't know. Nick. Put a rock in here. Put a rock in here. Put that tiny one over there in here.
Tiny one.
This tiny one over here.
Oh, big.
Just get that one in there.
How about this?
Switch that one, put that inside, and then
put that one on top.
Yeah. Scoot that back a bit. Yeah.
That's exactly what I was doing earlier. You told me to stop.
No, that's...
That actually makes it look so good from here, dude. See how that flat one?
And now put a rock on top of that rock.
What I'm doing.
Ooh, it looks so much better, guys.
Switch it like that. Oh, now it's spilling off of there too. See that?
Is that good though?
That's gonna cause it to leak.
Okay, yeah, just put it like that. See how it got a little wet, guys? It's not a full-blown system yet, so we have to keep fixing it.
We need a thinner wall.
No, put it right there. Put it right there. That's perfect. Keep it like that.
I'm trying to make it just so there's the smallest gap.
Is that enough flow for 2 baths?
That's why you get the air flow.
Look at them. They're both sitting right there. Oh my gosh, they're so stunning.
Look, these rocks walked right into each other, dude.
Perfect.
They walked right underneath.
And guys, I think that's it. We only have 1 more stone. I think we did it. Oh, yeah. I don't like that one like that. Move it. Nick, look up. Okay.
You like that one on top? No. No, right?
No. Look, I need that waterfall flow.
It all just shifted.
Just don't put that heavy one on top, and don't step on my plant.
You're not even close to your damn plant, dude.
Foot, plant, just touched it.
Did it shift again? Please tell me it didn't shift.
Okay, so that's the waterfall, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.